Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to replace your Tesla Model 3 12-volt battery, an easy method you can do yourself. First, always prioritize safety. Power off your vehicle through the touchscreen controls and lower all windows to prevent accidental lockouts. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, when handling the battery. This ensures a safe and smooth replacement process for you. Now, let's get started with the disconnection. Open your frunk and carefully remove the underhood apron and cabin intake duct to expose the battery. Using a 10mm socket, loosen and remove the negative terminal first. It's crucial to disconnect the negative before the positive. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal and the small vent tube attached to the battery. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out. Remember, it weighs approximately 25 pounds, so use proper lifting techniques. Now, gently place your new 12-volt battery into the tray. Once it's securely in place, reconnect the small vent tube to the battery. Then, attach the positive terminal, ensuring it is tightened firmly with your 10mm socket. For the final steps, reconnect the negative terminal to the new battery, tightening it securely. Reinstall the battery hold-down bracket to keep it firmly in place. Then, put back the cabin intake duct and the frunk apron. Once everything is reassembled, open a door to restore power and check your vehicle's touchscreen to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.